Good morning, communications class. This is Kristen Parkinson, and I'm going over my ad campaign for Discover the Forest. So really quickly to start off, Discover the Forest is a great online advertisement that gets communities and families out into forests, whether it's an urban forest setting or national forests. You may be familiar with their Every Kid in a Park, where fourth graders get free passes to uh, state parks and national parks for free. So I'm going to go over my Unplug campaign for discovertheforest.org. So they are advocating for children to get outdoors and discover what nature has to offer. And most of their campaigns for Unplug start out with a child. We'll take a look at the original ad. They start out with a child in an entertainment setting, and they cut him out and place him in a nature setting. And what I like about these campaigns is they are an idealistic reality of what the forest is. You know, when we look at a forest, it perhaps doesn't have all of these bright fireflies flying all over, but it really gets us to thinking that we want to be out there. So what I really liked about their ad is their colors. They have a very soothing color. It's the logo bar mimics the soothing colors of nature. And I love the two-tone and the variegated green. And their typography. It's a sans serif style, a single action statement that sends a really bold message. Simply unplug. So my new ad I'm going to go over is so we're going to take the child out of the entertainment setting and place him in nature. Here I've taken the child off of the rug playing a video game, and I've put him sitting in nature and holding a leaf. My consistencies are I'm using the same border, the exact same typography and call to action. So I'm including this unplug statement as well. And this is provided by the Ad Council and the Forest Service, and I hope you enjoy my presentation. Thanks.